Hello and welcome back. This is Rafi once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can put text behind any person in a video with CapCut free version. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process there. So here you go, I'm on my computer screen and as you can see, I have got a talking head video in my timeline. So let's say in the first portion of the video till this part, I want some text behind me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply select this clip and after that I'm going to split it, and after that I'm going to make this parts duplicate. So I'm going to copy this and paste it, and here you go, I've made a duplicate of the first clip. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here on this clip on the top layer, and after that we're going to go under video, then we're going to go to click on remove BG. And after that, if you already have a pro subscription, obviously you can click here on auto removal. CapCut will handle the rest for you. But for this video, we are trying to achieve this with a free version. So we're going to select this custom removal option, right? And after that, we'll have two options to go with. One is brush and another one is eraser. So we're going to select a portion to keep through brush. So I'm going to select brush. And after that, as you can see, this is the brush size as of now, which is too small. So we can increase the brush size. So I'm going to increase it. Let's take it to 100 so that I can roughly select some part of the video pretty easily. And after that, we can resize the brush so that we can do some touch over to get a better result. So let's select the bottom part like that. I mean, the neck part. Okay, so here we go. The neck part is done. It's time to select the face. So I'm going to go like that. Okay, like that. The more time we spend on selection, the better result we'll get for sure, right? So I'm going to simply do a rough cut like this. Okay, now let's select this part. I mean, this side of my face. Okay. All right, so I can see a little bit more edges here. This should do, yeah. Let me just remove this part, and here we go. I've selected my face. It's time to select the ears. So to select the ears, if we use this size, it's gonna make it worse. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna decrease the size of our brush, and after that we are going to simply drag it like that. A nice selection, and after that we're gonna do the same for this ear as well. Okay, so I've got some extra parts, so I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna select like that again. Okay, I think this is good enough, right? So now to see what we have got from this result, you can see the processing is still going on. So we have to wait for the processing and then we are going to click on apply. So I'm going to wait, and now it's time to click on apply. And after that, if I simply hide the first track, you can see what we have achieved. Pretty good, isn't it? So if I simply zoom in, you can see it's almost looking perfect other than some of the glitches on the top head, but it's fine. Yeah. So I'm going to minimize, and after that, I'm going to take the first layer back. And after that, we are going to get our text. So let's click on this text option. And from here, I'm going to take a default text. And after that, let's say I'm going to write something. I'm going to ask you to like this video if you like it. So I'm going to type out like the video. And here is our text. I'm going to make it a bit bigger. After that, it's time to take the text behind us. So to do this, we're going to simply drag this part here to make it available till this part. And after that, we are going to drag this and put this into the middle. And here you go. Just take a look. We have got the text behind us already. Now it's time to play with the animations, the text effects, or whatever design you want to go with. So if I want to show you something, let me take you here on animation. Sorry, not from there. So let's select the text first, and after that animation. And after that, you will see plenty of animations here. Some will be obviously the pro versions, but some you will find for free. For example, if I want to go with this animation here, so I'm going to click here. You can see.
Hello and welcome back. This is Rafi once again. In this video, I'm going to show you
or increase the seconds here. And after that, if I play the video again.
Hello and welcome back. This is Rafi once again. In this video,
Let's make it
I'm going to show you how you can blur faces in your video with CapCut. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and let me.
Okay, so this is it. This is how we can put a text behind any person with CapCut free version. I believe you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and let me know your opinion by commenting below. And don't forget to check out my other CapCut tutorials in this channel. And thank you so much for watching this video again. And I have to see you in my next video. Have a good one.